pretend this is the back of my classroom, okay?
Yep.
You have to sit in here.
No, I'm watching.
Right.
Okay, let's see it.
Okay, tell me what I should do.
I don't know what it is you know how to do, so you show me what you know how to do.
Cobra Strike! Did you get that one?
Mm-hmm. Show me again.
Cobra Strike! Go. Cobra Strike!
Then what?
Sweet kick! No,
That didn't look like...
I put a cartwheel. Oh yeah. Man.
What was that? I want to see the karate.
Okay, and self-control. I'm going to show you self-control too. This is self-control.
Next.
Battle ready.
How long can you hold it?
Battle ready.
So, okay, what else?
Cobra Strike.
Cobra Strike and Battle Ray. Alright, so what was? Okay, let's see how long you can hold it. Oh, come on, Alec.
What?
Where'd your balance go?
I don't know.
It's on the one side, right? No, on the
Okay.
other. What is that?
Bridge.
What are your toes doing?
Nothing.
I think they are. They're doing the toe dance. What is it?
Tummy toe head.
Tummy toe head.
Yeah. Tummy toe head. Oh.
Can you touch your toes to your head?
No.
What was that? Show me.
I was thinking what to do. Tide of summer and mid-time of night, and stars in their orbits shone pale. Throw the light of brighter cold moon, mid-planets her slaves, herself in the heavens, her beam on the way. Gazed a while on a cold smile, too cold for me. There passed a shroud of fleecy cloud, and I turned away to see, proud in evening star, and shall be, for joy to my heart the proud part. Thou bearest in heaven at night, and more I admire thy distant. The proud part thou bearest in heaven at night, and more I admire thy distant fire than colder lowly light. Than that colder lowly